Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I'm gonna show you guys my goals. So we're gonna try to go past a lot of these people today. These aren't real people, these are just challenged bonuses. And then you could go versus actual people. So right now I'm gonna do the friends one. This is Subway Surfers Part 1. And my goal is to pass all of these in one try. So yeah, let's get started. Sorry about the music. Let me mute it, because it's a little loud probably. There you go. Now let's go. So yeah, this is the score. Guys, I'm sorry if it's kind of glitchy. See, it's like really glitchy, so it's impossible to really play. But nothing's impossible. So yeah, guys, I don't have the best connection with this. Sorry about that. I wish it was better, but at least it's not super fast. Once I get to 50,000, that's pretty fast. Well, not really though. This is like super slow motion. So I'm just gonna use like a hoverboard because I cannot trust this. Did I just hit my head using a hoverboard? I bumped my head. Guys, look, we can barely beat 300. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a really bad connection. Sorry about that. Now I know why I can't beat 50,000. Oh yeah, guys, I might make a video about showing my Pokemon cards. I've actually made a video like 3 years ago about that, but I don't know what the channel was called. I forgot. So yeah, guys, I have like 20 channels right now. I have SB Clips. I have the Elmo's World thing. So yeah, you guys should probably check those out. I'll show you guys in one of my videos. So yeah, guys, we're also gonna do a Pokemon like opening package things. I would have done this before, guys, but I've been going to camp, so that's why I haven't made videos for like 3 days, and then I started making like 5 videos because I might not make a video. I'm like so not concentrated. Guys, no matter how glitchy this is, I still can't believe I'm having fun playing. So yeah, guys, I feel like everybody that's probably going to watch this video has Subway Surfers. Even if you guys have never downloaded it, bro, it's super fun. And no, you will not have this connection unless you have like 1,000 gigabytes left, like me. Because I'm literally using a Samsung tablet that's about 6 years old, 5 years old. I don't know. about that many years old. I just got a hoverboard like right in time. I can barely beat 600 points right now. Guys, I'm going pretty fast now. I can't even see what my score is. This is so hard. Okay, I got another hoverboard out. I might be the world's worst player, probably. Because I'm barely able to play in a glitchy game. I don't even know how I'm still, like, guys, I know I'm not showing my face right now because this is like super, you have to be really concentrated on this. So yeah guys, I'm going to be opening some Pokemon card decks, about 55 Pokemon cards it's going to be. And I can't wait to show you guys because it's going to be like, it's like really awesome. No! I'm beating Mario. Guys, should we do the ad? Oh no, yes, let's do it. I don't care. Yes, too glitchy, too glitchy. Okay, finally I can move my screen. So yeah guys, I have Chrome on the Samsung tablet, so you can do that. So yeah guys, this is how you like move it. So right now you guys can probably see me like it's moving a lot. Hey look, this is like the same size as these boxes. Play around with the screen. But yeah guys, I have to be at least over more than 10,000. Bro, I look like, guys, I look like I have like a really huge head. That's just the camera quality right now. And I might lose my voice probably again. Because, guys, make sure to check out the World War III video. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, yeah, it says 2x for my screen. So, maybe that's what makes the screen go faster. Or I'm just like, seeing things. Oh, no, I need to move my screen up. There we go. But yeah, guys, I'm going to have... It's a surprise with the cards that I'm going to get. So I'm not going to show you guys yet. Oh, Jesus. Holy moly. Macaroni. Guys, the camera quality is probably worse than what I'm seeing right now, bro. But it's fun. I mean, I'm still surviving in this horrible quality of... So yeah, guys, this isn't my tablet. This is the camera. It give a bytes. No, not give a... Yeah, something like that. I don't know why the jump sounds like that now. That's kind of weird. I think it's because it's glitched and it's slow motion. So everything you're hearing is just... These are not the right noises. Like when you jump, it does not go... That's called slow motion, guys. I'm gonna keep jumping. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. But yeah, guys. In like 6 or 7 months, I'm gonna make a video on my birthday. So yeah, only 7 points to beat Mario. So I got 11,000. That's pretty good. What is this? So yeah, guys, I think I might just end it there because this is really glitchy. Oh wait, hold on. Let me change the skin that I was wearing. Oh, I got a mission done, I think. So yeah, guys, this is like a duffel bag. So like I already have 13 keys. I could literally buy a skin, and I already have 12,000 coins. That's pretty awesome. And so yeah, guys, I just downloaded this like 30 minutes ago. Unlock. So yeah, guys, I thought I already got this. It's free, of course. You can get it like that way. You got dark outfit. And then this guy's, look, I already have 32. Most people don't get that until like a month probably. I don't know. Most likely. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.